So scan the QR code.
Scan it.
Do it.
Do it.
I can wait.
Waiting.
The video doesn't start till you scan it. Do it! I don't get paid until you scan the QR code.
Scan the
So
QR
we're
code.
not starting the video
Scan
until
the code.
you scan the QR code.
Why aren't you scanning the code?
Did you do it? Okay, I'm trusting you.
Put these God-forsaken devil minions in this movie deserves an eternity of suffering. These motherfuckers are some of the most creepiest, freakiest things I've ever seen in my entire life, dude. The puppet itself, the puppet itself is bad enough. Do you see the way they run, dude? They don't move their own, they just... No.
Has been to space.
We're not doing these loops.
In the episode Stuck in the Ringer, SpongeBob's grandma says, when I was your age, I used to have to walk 5 miles to school, in the snow, uphill, both ways, and that is why SpongeBob's grandma is a time traveler. So the next thing is SpongeBob and Sandy Cheeks Sandy are...
What is this in the background? What is
So the next thing is SpongeBob.
What are... Those are the lost and crying souls of the tragically departed.
SpongeBob and Sandy Cheeks Sandy are good friends, and Sandy is a squirrel and SpongeBob is a sponge, and they live in Bikini Bottom, and Sandy is from Texas and SpongeBob is from Bikini Bottom. And the next thing is the Krusty Krab, and the Krusty Krab is a restaurant, and Mr. Krabs is the owner, and SpongeBob is the fry cook, and Patrick is the cashier, and Squidward is the cashier, and Mr. Krabs is a crab, and SpongeBob is a sponge, and Patrick is a starfish, and Squidward is an octopus. So the next thing is the Chum Bucket, and the Chum Bucket is a
we're getting
restaurant, and Plankton is the owner,
closer!
and he is an amiibo. So the next thing is the Pineapple House, and SpongeBob lives in the Pineapple House, and Patrick lives under a rock. So the next thing is the Bikini Bottom, and Bikini Bottom is a place where SpongeBob and Patrick and Sandy and Mr. Krabs and Squidward and Plankton and all the other characters live. So the next thing
I'm suffering. All I know is agony.
is the Sandy SpongeBob episode, and in that episode, Sandy takes SpongeBob to Texas. Jai Zia Lai Shi Hai Mayan Bao Bao He Sang Dai Lion Ji is Sang Dai.
Dear Holy Father in thine heaven, thou call out to thee to protect thine soul from thine darkness of evil. I've just been cursed. He just put a voodoo, black magic, witchcraft curse upon me. There's me, Lotus. Suppose some spooky guy in the outside tell me to return a slab? I don't have any slabs. Mark, please be my hero. My hero.
Good idea. Here goes nothing.
Oh, you did
Oh, wait.
Give me that!
I didn't mean... You alright? You
Is
okay?
it-
Man, that was nuts.
What happened?
In a ringer, and Squidward has to save him.
SpongeBob getting stuck in a laundry machine. And he needs a big, strong hero to come and save him. Where have I seen that before?
While SpongeBob...
This exact thing right here that my eyeballs are currently fixated upon. This is what's in my nightmares. Since you're asking, since you brought up the topic, since you've opened that door, you've taken that swing.
Here! I think they went into the sewer!
Oh my, go.
I said it, I told them when they built it, putting a sewer entrance underneath what was supposed to be the most secure vault in the museum is just grossly irresponsible.
I'm a bull.
Yeah, I mean, I agree with you, but they don't really pay us to think. But regardless, they gotta be around here somewhere.
I am a bull.
You're right. You know what? You're right. But we need to split up. Cover more ground.
That's a great idea! I love that idea!
No, you're the one who usually has the great ideas.
No, my ideas suck. You have the best ideas every time.
Come on.
No, you always have the greatest ideas.
Please keep.
I'm worth it.
You know what, Mark? I'll absolutely let you blow my back out.
You've only seen in your nightmares.
I've seen things you've only seen in your nightmares.
And what's the only thing we've seen in our nightmares? This
video is actually insane.
Going on here?
Yeah, Karen, I can't believe it didn't fit. Hey, what are you doing here?
Sir, this is my house. I live here. I pay the mortgage. What are you doing here? The Black Hercules?
George.
Dude. It's like somebody's dad, bro.
The probe.
He's got like.
I don't know any of these.
He's got like pubes, bro. Like, what is.
Stray and orphan dogs to add to his team. Why?
Jeez.
Well, here's where it all starts to come together. The missing pups.
Jeez, it's like the military. You know? Abandoned, lonely, desperate kids. You know, nowhere else to turn. Recruit them for your own nefarious acts.
To the team.
Just like the military. Oh, little Sally. Little Sally thinks she's about to win this race, dude. She got a big old smile on her face. She's enjoying herself. Not when I crack her fucking... Listen! I never said that! That is... I'm gonna say it, dude. I'm gonna say it, bro. These Pixar animators know what the hell they're doing, bro. Because, woo! Wee, mommy! Wee, come to papi! Wait a minute, do they You just shut up.
Cannibalism week!
Oh, Matthew, what did you say?
Oh my god, it's Cannibalism Week! I forgot to buy my outfit!
Going to escape. Not now.
What the?
Come see how you fight with a bag over your head. You can play that game, mister. I got it. Shoot him. Shoot him now, please. Shoot him now.
Oh!
Right now, please.
Oh!
Shoot him. He needs to die.
I been in this situation! Dude, I have watched too many TV shows to ever want to be up in this situation, dude. Because usually they're wrong. What the fuck? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch the chopper from the foe. Left.
My Halloween costume.
What are you going as?
A cannibal.
Oh.
See what I mean? Funny stuff there, M&M's. Very amusing.
Oh.
Dude. Dude, that's the look I be giving her when I'm about to, you know, do my thing.
My fellow Americans, this Chris Wilson guy's kind of a fucking twat.
That's fake. Me and Obama, that's my boy. That's gang, that's slime. My homie would never turn his back on me like that. Ain't no still stab me on the back. We all from the block.
My fellow Americans, this Chris Wilson guy's kind of a fucking twat. Ice Age theory. Scrat ate his own son. Chris Wilson? More like Chris Bilson, because he doesn't pay his bills.
What a fucking...
Hello, Internet.
What?
Hey, we're gonna...
PewDiePie! PewDiePie! How could you? How could you?
What? Wait, for some reason I don't remember this one. You're telling me that they actually ate the new Spokes candy?
You ate the new Spokes candy?
Not all of him.
Well, this went in a direction
Listen, bro.
Spokes candy?
The green M&M, dude. I'm not gonna... Listen, I'm not gonna say it. But we all thinking the same thing, okay? Don't lie, okay? We all... The green, you look at...
Infamous for othering and sending
Nice.
suspicion over various
So Duck is racist. Nice.
ethnic groups. But
That's
looking at
great.
Duck's role now, he seems to represent something much
The
broader.
green
One thing
guy.
that's always slipped my notice is that Duck's always reading a right-wing newspaper. And that's not me making judgment calls here either. That is literally the name of the newspaper that we see in episode 1. Duck has it again in the computer.
Duck, where were you on January 6th?
Computer episode and again here in Fly. So Duck's...
Think it